I'm a real bitch, real niggas fuck with me. If I ain't sent for you, bitch, then don't come for me. Yeah, I'm getting money, ho, I'm living comfortably. You not a G and took a LY cause you ugly. I'm petty, it's fun to me.
Hey loves, and as you guys can see from the top below, this is just going to be a response video, which means I need you guys' response to help me figure out if I want to do the what they got for Christmas video this year. If you guys have not seen the what they got for Christmas video last year, I will put it down below, and I will also put the what they got for Christmas video. Oh, I feel like I gotta sneeze. Whew. The one from, this is 2018, 2017, and 2016 down below. Thank you guys so much for almost 1 million on one of the videos, and thank you so much for over 3 million views on the other one. Now, you guys know for Christmas time, I go out, me and my husband, all the time. We go all out because, you know, my kids are really good kids. They're not perfect kids, but they're really good kids. They make really good grades. They're well-behaved kids. They do their house chores. They do everything they're supposed to do. So I feel like Christmas time is definitely for my kids. You know, I get gifts and stuff like that too, but I don't want to do like what I got for Christmas videos because my hair do not want to let me be great today. It's just all over the place, but whatever. Because I don't know, I'm 33 years old. I don't know if people want to see what I got for Christmas. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. I'm not sure. I thought it was always just for kids, but if you guys want to see what I got for Christmas, leave it in the comments down below, and I might do that video because I know when the kids do their videos, you know, sometimes people are like, oh my god, your kids are so spoiled. Oh my god, your kids are so... My kids are blessed, okay? That's what my kids are. Blessed kids. They're not spoiled kids. They do not get everything that they ask for, but because it's Christmas, okay, you know, I'm just saying. Also, if you guys want me to do their Christmas wish list, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know because I don't know, you know. But this video is about the kids. So with that being said, please listen. If you guys want me to do a what I got for Christmas video, leave it in the comments. Just let me know in the comments, okay? Stop the video, let me know in the comments. If I get a lot of for me, I'll do it, okay? I just never thought people wanted to see what I got for Christmas, okay? 2, if you want to see a Christmas wish list, okay, for the kids, I always tell them to write down 5 things that they want for Christmas on their wish list. If you guys are curious to see what 5 things they want, leave it in the comments down below. 3rd, if you guys want to see the kids open up their Christmas gifts this year, 2018, give this video a thumbs up. Once this video gets to, I'll say, 7,000 likes. Can y'all get it to 7,000 likes? I will not display the likes until it gets to 7,000 likes. So that means if you're watching this video right now and you can't see the thumbs up or thumbs down, that means the video hasn't made it to 7,000 likes. Which means I can't say, hey, they got the video to 7,000 likes. You guys, you know, want to film the video, because you guys know my daughter would film videos with me. She filmed a couple of videos with me this summer because school was out, but my daughter my kids are not into like YouTube like that. I'm the YouTuber. My kids decided to do YouTube. That's not their thing. You guys know my son don't care nothing about YouTube like that. If you see him on my videos or anything like that, that's because he wanted to. And I'm not going to force my kids to do something that I signed up for. Okay? Because I know a lot of you guys be like, Can your kids make a channel? They don't want to make a channel. If they wanted to make a channel, would I let them make a channel? I'm not sure. You know, the internet is ruthless. You know, I get called all type of names for people who don't even know me. So, you know, you think I want my kids getting bullied? I don't know. I don't know if I would want them to do that or not. And, you know, my kids have to want to do it. And my kids just don't like doing YouTube. They'll appear on my videos every now and then. But as far as just like doing YouTube like that, they're not interested in doing YouTube like that. And like I said, you guys will see my daughter. You guys have seen my daughter majority of the time on my channel because, like I said, she was out for the summer. And she was doing videos with me because she wanted to, because it was the summertime. But now that school's in session, she's a sophomore, you know, her focus is school. So with that being said, my daughter is 15 and my son is 13, but he will be 14 by the time Christmas comes. So that's why I'm like, you know, with them being older, I know when I did what they did for Christmas video, they was like 11 and 12 or like 12 and 13, or have I been on YouTube that long? Probably like 13 and 14 or 12 and 13. I'm not sure, something like that. But because they're 14 and 15, my son will be 14, like I said, are you guys interested in seeing that? I don't know. Are they too old? Do you want to see it? Can we just open the gifts by ourselves? That is all up to you guys. So, like I said, if you guys want to see it, get this video to 7,000 likes. When you get to 7,000 likes, I'll definitely let you guys see that it has 7,000 likes. And I would definitely ask them to do the video. And if I ask them to do it, 9 times out of 10, because it's a Christmas video, and they know you guys would like to see them open their gifts, they're going to do it. So it's all up to you guys, like I said. So don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. When you get to 7,000 likes, they will do what they got for Christmas video. You guys want to see the wish list, spam me the comments. You guys want me to open up my Christmas gifts on camera, I can definitely do that for you guys if you guys are interested. Like I said, I don't know if you guys want to see me open my gifts. I never thought you guys did. But like I said, if you want to, if I get enough comments, I can film that video for you guys as well. So, comments, thumbs up. That's it. That's all that's it. And you guys know I started Christmas shopping already like 3 weeks ago. Is it October yet? I'm not sure. You guys know I don't like to last minute shop. I literally started shopping probably like the very end of August because I have to get so many people gifts, not just my husband and my kids. I buy a lot of gifts for people. And I just love Christmas time. Like, I love Christmas time. I'm more of a giver. I like to give more gifts. Like, I just get a thrill out of people opening their gifts. And I know I purchased the gifts. And they're so excited to see the gifts that I purchased. So I just love shopping anyway. So to shop for other people makes me so happy. I love the sales and stuff like that. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you guys know anytime I'm somewhere and there's a sale, I'm going to snap the sale, and then I'm also going to screenshot a coupon if I have it. And to answer every one question, where do I get majority of my coupons from? On the app called Retail Me Not. No, this video is not sponsored, but shout out to Retail Me Not. I've been plugging y'all app for years. Where my sponsorship at? Okay? But this is not sponsored, but I'm saying all the apps, all the stores I shop at, Forever 21, Charlotte Russe, New York and Company, all the stores I shop at, Target, Bath and Body Works, Bed Bath & Beyond, Kohl's, shoe stores, I always shop with a coupon. And I only shop when there's a sale. So, Christmas shopping tips, only shop if you have a coupon, and only shop if there's a sale. And majority of the time, if you catch stuff on clearance, you can still use the coupon. And my ring light just went out, so I'm going to close this video out. So like I said, leave the comments down below. Spam me the comments for a wish list or what I got for Christmas video. And by the time this video gets to 7,000 likes, you guys can guarantee that we will film the what they got for Christmas video. I love you guys so much. And until next time, you guys, bye.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect. Don't let nobody tell you different. Baby, you so worth it, you was beautiful in every way. When I'm describing it, it's all I say.
Ain't nobody gorgeous as you are.